नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। मैं आज आप सब से एक बहुत अहम मौजू पर बात करना चाहता हूँ और आज तक किसी ने इस मौजू पर बात नहीं की जिस तरह मैं आप सब से कर रहा हूँ। और ये एक मसला है जिसको बहुत से लोग जानते नहीं हैं और न जाने में इस गलती को करके गुनाह के मुर्तकिब हो रहे हैं। मैंने इस मौजू पर मुफ्ती सैयद कमर साहब से फतवा लिया है और मेरी इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि ये उन लोगों तक पहुंच जाए जो इस गुनाह के मुर्तकिब हो रहे हैं। The married people from Pakistan who visits abroad countries like America etc. They have to do some arrangement to live there. For this purpose, they either take political stay or they have to do paper marriage, while their children and wife are living in Pakistan. They do paper marriage for getting green card of that country. After that, they have to tell a lie for green card. That is, I gave a divorce to the Pakistani wife and the lady who is in America, I got married with her. While in America, there is no concept or rule of paper marriage. In America, the lawyer who did the paper marriage of both Pakistani men with American girl asked to the man that he has to bring a divorce paper in which it is written that you gave 3 times divorce to the Pakistani wife and date is also mentioned with it. Then Pakistani man shows the divorce paper to American immigration. Then the American immigration issues the green card for that person. Then there arises a problem regarding man's children. He asked his American wife to get his children to America. She applies for them and in return the children call their biological mother from Pakistan to America. And then the man divorces his American wife and gets to stay with his Pakistani wife. But according to Sharia, the wife is being divorced by her husband and they cannot live together. Now, living together is haram for them before doing halala.